3D rotation. 3D rotation in computer graphics refers to the process of rotating an object in a three-dimensional space. Rotation is achieved by transforming each point in the object using a rotation matrix. Here is an example to demonstrate 3D rotation in computer graphics. Suppose we have a cube with the vertices 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1 and 3, 3, 3, and we want to rotate it around the z-axis by 90 degrees. The steps to perform the rotation would be as follows. Represent the original cube by its vertices in a 3D coordinate system. Define the axis and the angle of rotation, in this case the z-axis and 90 degrees. For each vertex in the cube, transform its coordinates using the 3D rotation matrix. X is equal to x asterisk cos theta, y asterisk sin theta. Y is equal to x asterisk sin theta plus y asterisk cos theta. Z is equal to z, where x, y, z are the original coordinates of the vertex, x, y, z are the rotated coordinates, and theta is the angle of rotation in radians. Plot the rotated cube using the updated vertices. Repeat the rotation as many times as desired to achieve the desired effect. In computer graphics, 3D rotation is a fundamental operation that is used in many different applications, including 3D modeling, animation, and virtual reality. The 3D rotation operation allows objects to be viewed from different angles, creating a more dynamic and engaging visual experience. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.